Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
All of you, please keep your cameras on. Okay, last week we had our reading test. Okay. Oh, okay, fine. Okay, fine. Parvana, can you read this one?
Bonjour, madame.
Read, Parvana.
Bonjour, madame.
चला दिया मर्सी हाँ मान समझी समझा
Trebia, Parvana. Jyotirashmi, can you read from the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Sawa. Sawa mal. Sawa biya. Sawa biya mercy. Pa mal. Komsi komsa.
Trebia, Jyotirashmi. Okay, tell me then, Shiva Shankaran.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Anne-Marie. So, Shiva Shankaran, ask how are you to Sarah?
Sawa.
Oui. Sarah reply,
Sawa biya mercy.
Sawa. When your friend is asking you that
Sawa.
question, you don't have to, yes, you just need to say Sawa. Very good, Sarah. You can mute everyone. Irene, please mute. Ihan, ask how are you to Jonas?
Sawa.
Jonas reply,
Sawa.
Sawa. Dako. See, when you ask the question, no, use the rising intonation. Sawa. Ihan, ask like that.
Sawa.
Jonas, you can reply.
Sawa.
Dako, Jonas. Okay, so then you got it now. Jonas, ¿cómo estaba, Jonas? ¿Cómo estaba, Jonas? I am asking you the question. ¿Cómo estaba, Jonas? How will you reply?
Sawa mia mercy.
Trebia. Very good, Noda. Ensuite, Rebecca. ¿Cómo estaba, Rebecca?
Sawa mercy. Como sawa mercy.
No, not ¿cómo estaba, Mercy. ¿Cómo estaba means how are you? Okay. So I asked you that question. ¿Cómo estaba, Rebecca? Okay, how are you, Rebecca? So how will you reply? You have to say, estaba bien, Mercy. Rebecca, ¿cómo estaba?
Sawa bien mercy.
Trebia, Rebecca. Niranjan, ¿cómo estaba, Niranjan? Niranjan, ¿cómo estaba?
Sawa.
Continue. When I am your teacher, right? Your teacher is asking you that question. So how will you reply to your teacher?
Sawa bien mercy.
Oui, très bien, Niranjan. Ensuite, Suvrit. ¿Cómo estaba, Suvrit?
Sawa. Sawa mercy.
Estaba bien, Mercy.
Sawa bien mercy.
¿Cómo estaba, Suvrit?
Sawa mercy.
Estaba bien, Mercy. Say again.
Sawa bien mercy.
¿Cómo estaba, Suvrit?
Sawa bien mercy.
Oui, Shiva Shankaran. Ask how are you to Suvrit?
Sawa.
Suvrit reply. Dako, très bien. Okay, now everyone got. So when your friend is asking the question Sava, you can say Sava itself. When your teacher is asking you or your elders are asking you the question, you have to say Sava Bia Mercy. Okay, all of you keep your cameras on. Sahil, Joshua, Netik, Navneet, Sana.
Ma'am, I have network issue.
Sana is having network issue. Navneet is also having network issue. Okay. Joshua, keep your camera on, Joshua. Okay, Navneet is fine. Okay. Navneet, if you can on your camera, then you can. On. Rebecca, keep your camera on, Rebecca. Sana. Okay, Sana having network issue, she told. Okay, fine. Okay, everyone. Janisa, you have any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you can remove that hand raise symbol now. Okay, now today we are going to learn how to reply. No, not reply. How to say goodbye in different ways. That we are going to learn. How to say goodbye. And one you already know. Yes, in the French class, yes. Au revoir. Yes. In the French class, when we are about to end the French class, to reply, to say goodbye, you say au revoir, right? Au revoir. Yes. And au revoir means goodbye. The ending letter R will be silent. Au revoir. Say, repeat everyone.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Dako. Ensuite, the next one, second one is abianto. Abianto. Wait, abianto. Abianto means see you soon. Okay, everyone, abianto is see you soon. Ending letter T will be silent here. Abianto. Dako. Abianto is see you soon. Ensuite, the third one is atu taler. Atu taler. I am going to mute for some time. Listen everyone the pronunciations properly. Atu taler. Atu taler. Okay? Atu taler. And atu taler means see you very soon. Abianto is see you soon and atu taler is see you very soon. You have to read together. Atu taler. Taler. Like that. Now you can unmute and read. Repeat after me. Atu taler.
Very soon.
We atu taler means see you very soon, and you can pronounce that R here. R is not silent. Atu taler. Okay, R you can pronounce here. We. So atu taler is see you very soon, and the fourth one is
Administration 3A is come.
pardon. Pardon. Anika, what are you saying? Another class students are coming. Okay, they will leave. No problem. So the next one, fourth one is Bonnui.
Bonnui.
Bonnui. We. Bonnui means good night. That means good night. And the ending letter T will be silent here. Bonnui. Bonnui. Dako. Bonnui is good night. Rebecca, dear, please straight. Dako. Ensuite, the fifth one is Adama. Adama. Qu'est-ce que c'est Adama? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Adama. See you tomorrow. Okay. And when you say Adama, see the spelling D-E-M-A-I-N. So when you have like a M-A-I-N, you will have a tendency to read as the main. Adamino. But pronunciation is not main. M-A-I-N is not main. Here in French, when you have it as I-N together, pronunciation will be When you have I-N together, pronunciation will be So it is Adama.
Adama. See you very soon.
We. So now I am going to mute everyone, and now you all can listen to the pronunciation. Okay, just listen. You don't have to repeat. Just listen to the pronunciation. Everyone, Catherine, please keep your camera on. Catherine, on your camera. And Mary, keep your camera on. Sanvia, keep your camera on. Joshua. And Mary. Okay, don't off your camera, everyone. Keep it, okay? Keep it on. Okay, just listen to the pronunciation. Au revoir. A bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. À demain. Okay, listen again, everyone. Au revoir. I am not saying au revoir. No, I am not pronouncing r there. Instead, the pronunciation I am using there is ja. Au revoir. À bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. À demain. D'accord. Now I am going to unmute everyone. You can repeat after me. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
À bientôt.
À bientôt.
À tout à l'heure.
Tout à l'heure.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
À demain.
À demain.
Again, repeat after me, everyone. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
À bientôt.
À bientôt.
À tout à l'heure.
À tout à l'heure.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
À demain.
À demain.
Okay, now all of you please mute. Everyone take your rough book. All of you take your rough book. Take your rough book, everyone. Okay, all of you write and study this, how to say goodbye, different ways to say goodbye, write and study for 5 times, along with the meaning. We,
What we wanted to pronounce the second one?
second one is à bientôt. À bientôt.
And we want to write the meaning.
Yes, write and study the meaning also for 5 times along with it. Okay. Now everyone keep
third one?
camera on. Third one is à tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. You all can remove that hand raising. You don't have to click on the hand raising symbol. I will call.
Ma'am, first one how to pronounce?
Meenakshi, remove that hand raising symbol. Okay. First one is au revoir. Steny, keep your camera on. Arthur, keep your camera on. And Mary, I'm telling you to many times I am saying to you, keep your camera on. And Mary.
Ma'am, how to pronounce the third one?
Third one is à tout à l'heure.
À tout à l'heure.
Oui, à tout à l'heure.
How to pronounce second one?
What is the
Second one is à bientôt. Okay, everyone, I will repeat it again. Yeah, Navneet, you told me. Okay, I
Ma'am,
noted
how
that.
many times we want to write and study?
5 times. 5 times. Okay, I will repeat the words again. Okay, so that you can listen to the pronunciation. First one is au revoir. Second one, à bientôt. Third one, à tout à l'heure. Then fourth one, bonne nuit. Then fifth one is à demain. Okay. Again, au revoir, à bientôt, à tout à l'heure, bonne nuit, à demain. Okay, all of you can write and study now for 5 times in your rough book along with the meaning. Meanwhile, I'll be calling you to read and I will be also marking the attendance. Devna, keep your camera on, Devna.
Ma'am, can you read the second one?
Second one is à bientôt. À bientôt. Fourth one. Second one is à bientôt.
Ma'am, third one?
Third one, à tout à l'heure. Now we all can wait when the others are reading. Those who are having doubts, when others are reading, you can listen. Okay? So you will get the pronunciation properly. Now, bonne nuit.
Third one?
Okay, now all of you mute. Okay? And listen. If you want to get the pronunciation, you listen. D'accord. Catherine, unmute and read.
river.
Hmm. Then, Abhianto.
Abhianto.
Hmm.
Atto taler.
Hmm.
Bonui.
Hmm. Adama.
Adama.
We, Catherine, please do practice. Okay. On with Ihan, read.
Urua.
Hmm.
Abhianto.
Hmm.
Atto.
Atu tale.
Atto taler.
Hmm.
Bin uti.
Bonnui.
Bonui.
Hmm.
Adama.
Read again, Ihan.
Urua.
Hmm.
Abhianto.
Hmm.
Atto ilhu.
Atu tale.
Atto taler.
Hmm.
Bonui.
Hmm.
Adama.
Très bien, Ihan. On to Jyoti Lakshmi.
Ma'am.
Oui. Madame.
Oui, madame.
Read.
Orwa.
Hmm.
Abhianto.
Hmm. Atu tale.
Atto tale.
Bonnui.
Bonui.
Hmm.
Man.
Abhianto. Sorry, moi. Adama.
Adama.
Read again, Jyoti Lakshmi.
Orwa.
Hmm.
Abhianto.
Hmm.
Atto ale.
Atu tale.
Atto tale.
Hmm.
Boniato.
Hmm.
Ademan.
After atu tale, it is bonnui.
Bonui. Adi.
Adama.
Adama.
Read again. We, Jyoti Lakshmi.
Madam,
We, Sana.
I have network issue. Can I leave?
Okay, dear. You don't have to leave. You be there. You can keep the camera off.
Madam.
Jyoti Lakshmi, you can read. Read again. Hmm?
What is the fourth word?
Fourth one is bonnui. Jyoti Lakshmi, read.
Orwa.
Hmm?
Abhianto.
Hmm?
Atto hale.
Hmm?
Bonui.
We.
Ade.
Correct. Read again.
Ademan.
We Adama.
Adama.
We, Jyoti Lakshmi. Très bien. Ensuite, Mridul.
Oui, madame.
Read.
Orua. Abhianto.
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 Not abhianto. Abhianto.
Abhianto.
Hmm.
Atua.
When you have A with the accent, axograph, pronunciation is A. Atu tale.
Adu taler.
Atu tale.
Adu taler.
It's not adu. Atu,
Bonui.
ta. Mridul, it is ta.
Atu.
Atu tale.
Atu taler.
We. Then.
Bonui.
Hmm.
Aduma.
Très bien, Mridul. Ensuite, Ihan. Read. Ihan, you read, right? Okay, Ihan read. Jyoti Lakshmi read. Rebecca, you can read now.
Orua. Abhianto. Attu taler. Bonui. Adama.
3B, Rebecca. Very good. On to Shivashankaran. Read.
Arwa,
Hmm.
Abianto,
Hmm.
Atutale,
Hmm.
Bonua,
Bonnui.
Bonui,
Hmm.
Adama.
3B, Shivashankaran. On to Steny. Steny, read.
Orwa, Abianto,
Hmm.
Atutaler,
Hmm.
Nui,
Hmm. 3B, Steny. On to Janisa.
Nan,
We.
Orua,
Hmm.
Abianto,
Hmm.
Atutale, Bonu,
Hmm.
Adama.
3B, Janisa. On to Anne Mary. Read. Anne Mary. Unmute and read. Anne Mary, dear. Unmute and read.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, Anne Mary, after some time I will call you. Okay. On with Deva. Read.
Orua,
Then Abhiyanto.
Abianto, Ta
Atutale.
Atutale,
Jyotishmi, right hand side Jyotishmi. Then
Bon Du,
Bonnui.
Bonui,
Then Adama.
Adama,
Read again. Deva.
Orua, Abianto,
We.
Atutale,
We.
Bon
Muted. Your mic is muted.
Bon
Bonnui.
Bonui,
Then
Adama,
Trebia Deva. On Sita Niranjan. Trebia Deva. On Sita Niranjan.
Madam,
We. Meenakshi.
echo is coming.
Yeah. Now it is clear. Niranjan, you can read.
Orua, Abianto,
Atutale.
Atusaler, Bon,
Bonnui.
Ni,
Bonnui.
Bonui,
Then
Boni,
after that
and
Adama. Adama. Niranjan, read again from the beginning. Niranjan, read again. Okay, Niranjan is having a network issue. Niranjan, can you read?
Madam. Yes.
Read. Meenakshi, please keep your mic muted.
Orua, Abianto,
Atutale.
Atusaler,
Bonnui.
Bonui,
Abhiyanto.
Abianto,
Niranjan, please do practice. On to the Arthur. Arthur, read.
Orwa, goodbye. Abianto, see you soon. Atut Ale, see you very soon. One Nui,
Bonnui.
Bunnui, Good night.
Mm.
Adama. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow. 3 biarda. On with Sarah Thomas.
D'accord, madame.
Ma'am,
Oui.
au revoir,
Au revoir.
au revoir, à bientôt, à tosale,
Mm.
bonne nuit, à demain.
Très bien, Sarah. On with Naitik.
Au revoir.
Mm.
Abianto.
Oui, abianto. Abianto.
Atu sale.
Mm.
Bon.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit. Addamento.
Addama.
Addama.
Read again, Naitik.
Horian.
Au revoir.
Orua. Abianto. Atto sale.
Mm.
Bonne
Bonne nuit.
nuit. Addamento.
Addama. It's not addamanto. Addama.
Addama.
See the spelling M-A-I-N. Is there any T there?
No.
No. So it is addama. Read again.
Orian.
Au revoir.
Orua. Abianto.
Mm.
Atto saler.
Mm. Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Mm.
Addaman.
Tako, Naitik. Practice again. I will call you. Okay? Practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Meenakshi, write and study. T.S. Meenakshi, write and study. You are not writing. On to the Aidin, you can read.
Au revoir.
Mm. Abianto.
Abianto.
Mm.
Attur thaler.
Oui.
Bonne nuit.
Mm.
Addama.
Très bien, Aidin. On to the
Au revoir.
Mm.
Abianto.
Mm.
Attu tale.
Mm.
Bonne nuit.
Mm.
Addama.
Très bien, Suvrit. On with Jonas. Read.
Au revoir.
Mm.
Abianto.
Mm.
Attu tale.
Mm.
Bonne nuit.
Mm.
Addama.
Très bien, Jonas. Excuse me. On with Anika.
Au revoir,
Mm.
à bientôt,
Mm.
à tout à l'heure,
Mm.
bonne nuit,
Mm.
à demain.
Très bien, Anika. On with Parvana.
Au revoir, à bientôt, à tout à l'heure, bonne nuit, à demain.
Très bien, Parvana. On with Meenakshi. T.S.
Au revoir,
Mm.
à bientôt,
Mm.
à tout à l'heure,
Mm.
bonne nuit,
Mm.
à demain.
Très bien, Meenakshi. On with Sahil. Sahil. Sahil, unmute and read. Navneet. Navneet, you can read. Navneet.
Au revoir,
Mm.
à bientôt.
Mm. À tout à l'heure.
Abdul Talab,
Mm.
bonne nuit.
Mm. À demain. Adama. Read again, Navneet. From the beginning. From the beginning, you read again.
Uluba.
Hmm.
Bunui.
Hmm.
Abdur.
Atu tale.
Abdur tare. Bunui.
Hmm. Adama.
Adama.
Navneet, practice again. I will call you. Okay, I will call you again. On with Catherine. Catherine, you read. Okay. And
Ma'am.
Catherine, you read. Tanvia. Tanvia, read. Tanvia Krishna.
Can I read?
I will call. Wait. Tanvia, read. Not replying. Then Joshua. Joshua, read. Abhiyanto.
Problem. Ma'am, I have network problem.
Okay, Tanvia. Read. Atu tale. Then Bunnui. Bunnui. Then Abhiyanto. Read again, Joshua. Hmm. Hmm. After Oruva, it is Abhiyanto. Hmm. Tale. Hmm. 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 Bunnui. Adama. Joshua, practice. You are not practice. Okay? Practice. Then only you will be able to read. On with Meenakshi, Anup. Joshua, keep the camera on, Joshua. Hmm.
Orua.
Hmm.
Atot. Abirami. Atotale.
Abhiyanto.
Abhiyanto. Atotale.
Bunnui.
Bunui.
Hmm. Adama.
Adama.
Read again, Meenakshi.
Orua. Abhiyanto.
Hmm.
Atotale.
Hmm.
Bunui.
Bunnui. Hmm.
Adyato.
Adama.
Adama.
To practice more, Meenakshi. On
Okay.
to Srihari. Srihari, read. Srihari, unmute and read. Srihari. Srihari, unmute and read. Srihari, I am going to mark absent for you, okay? If you are not reading. Abigail is there. Abigail is there. Absent. Alan. Absent. Then Anika is present. Anjida Sunil. Anjida. Anjida is present. Okay. On with the Arshika. Arshika. Absent. Ardhar present. Aidin present. Catherine present. Deva present. Devach. Absent. Ihan present. Fajis. Absent. Ishan. Ishan absent. Jiva. Absent. Janisa present. Jonathan present. Joshua present. Jyoti Rashmi present. Kevin. Absent. Meenakshi Anu Preso. Mrudul Preso. Muhammad Sahil Preso. Navneet Preso. Netik Preso. Niranjan Preso. Parvana Preso. Rebecca Preso. Sana Preso. Tanvia Preso. Sarah Preso. Shivashankaran Preso. Srihari Preso. Seni Preso. Suvarit Preso. T.S. Meenakshi Preso. Vaishnav is there. Vaishnav. Abso and Anne-Marie Preso. Okay. So the names of absentees are
Yeah, ma'am.
Abigail, Alan, Arshika, Fajit, Ishan, Diva, Kevin, and Vaishnav. These are the names of absentees. Okay, children. Everyone, practice the pronunciations properly and come. Okay. And next week you will have a test paper. Retest paper. Written test will be there. Prepare for that. Okay. Au revoir. Bye bye.
Ma'am, meeting this week.
Au revoir.